Kanong ba shalong kabalayo ekanam kum kanong ba kaba itenat ba. Hakini kisnam kibalalet laban ong bakala dono ekanam. Hendrai kajingmi syakamat ki kenhuan ban pen kuoj ban pen itenat biang ya kanong ba kala sedang ban sothiet ban pen priang ya kubor syakipat ba bakin buram ya kamai mariang. Kanang bakan long kaba itenat bat baki briuru ken long kibalek kuoj lek subah. Dang ha katayo balalet UPCN ula pen iya kejing jabo jang kawa amkra bat kawa syirpi. Ha kabala pen isai kedar ba om dan ba patiau ne don kejing ket kle na kaliang sorkar jela ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat kipat nong syong kathan ban buram ya kamariang. Wat ha pedeng kini kejing kalemi ka kenhuan kabala tep kum ka team jiwa kabala trai jar-jar ki kam ban pen kuoj kini yuwa da kejing trai lang bat ka operation clean up bat ka Shillong Municipal Board. Ban lumi ki jabok jaban ki badan hakini ki wa kanang ba sasisian kini ki wa akin kup ikadur ka bakuoj bat ka ba itanan. Kani ka kenhuan hapo ka jingelam ujiwat waswani. Kala pendut ika por kabor ban pen kuoj iki wa bat keleng ki jaka jong kanong ba Shillong man la katayo. Da kejing temu ban pen long biang yakini ki jaka ki bakuoj basuba kanang barkanam kata ika kot ka kya jong pat ba. Bat kam tam ban pen ki embiang ya buram balaja jong kanong ba Shillong kabala tip kum ka Scotland of the East.
Ini je pen kuoj iki wa Shillong kebangi penong kam ngi hot ngi trei lang barok hot ha ki bun ki tim hang ni bai trei umdai tam ngi jiwa tim ki we ki tim ru ki tim balali di kong Patricia ki tim ki balali ki we organization ru ringi long teli bai ka wai tingnya pen kuoj iki ni ki wa da ka bangi penong kam ki tu ki mokhiu pro ki mokhiu ko di ki mokhiu khasi ki wat ki wat da ka JCB ngi penong kam da ka ba ngiyo ka jingkersan na ka municipal ka ai ka municipal yang JCB ka rooms po wa ka khur ki tu ka khti ru na po trai sla ha ngile a ta kor kom phi ki jingkerpat junga ka long ba nga kerpat ye ki khun samla nakaliang jonga ngakerpat ki khun samla kajat benriu jungi bakin yami syakmat banya sim benta ha kani ka jing pen khuoj ya ka me mariang jungi ka balong ka briu nyo trap ngihap ban ri man sumar bhai ka briu nyo trap jungi kumba ka itnat haki por ki jong bagi nang khna mangi haki por ki 79 haki por ki 80s ba kadang don ku kal er pangat kam don ka jing sma kam don ki yu te da ka jing ri jing sumar jungi ya kani ka ri mariang nyo trap jungi kabri nyo trap jungi kan umdei mangi perkhat tangi ladi simet ya ka ba menta ka jingi pen khuoj jungi menta ka long bangi perkhat ki khun ki pateng jungi ki bansawan ba ki di ban enjoy ya kani ka mariang jungi bakan man phai biang sa ko tu kum bakal long ha ki por handai man swa bakan itnat bakan ki khun ki ti jungi ki siu jungi ki kini yo biang ka tu kala air pangat kala air jung ka ba wara ka jing ko jing khia.
After this river, Mother Nature has given us food, shelter, water, and this is a time to give back to Mother Nature. I think so. We all have to give back to Mother Nature. It's in a very bad state, and I feel bad for the future generations. What will they have? They'll have no drinking water. Their soils will be dirty. We'll have very bad situation here. I request all the citizens to come forward and work together for this good cause. And I thank Operation Cleanup Group, for taking up this very difficult matter.
Nalor ke jingpen kuoj iki wa bat iki jaka hakaleng kanong ba Shillong. Kani ka kenhuan kala syim ru iki senjam bantung ru iki dieng hakaleng kathan kandailat polo bat kiwe ki jaka. Bat kala pen internet ru iki benta jong kala nkra bat dang syan kala pen ipo ipieng ya kathan GS Road. Da ka ba pening ya post ha ka ba la pendat ya ki bulb light bat ki khio ki bapo iki sentio ke ba internet. Syo ban pen internet iki lentiyat kejat bat ban ka iki pipe ki badan halentar kathan. Kani ka kenhuan kala shna ki mau kum ka jaka thung ki sentio ki babunjai rengkat bat ka basumar sukhere ki man la kasni ban pen priang ya ka kubor skipat ba banadai ka mariang kala bu ru ya ka wei ka kti ka babat yu dieng how fountain badan hakan dailat kinong elam jong ka team jiwa kila pen pau bakin ya chakmat akaban beteng ya kani ka kam ka babaha wala ki hab ban pen lut hi ka pisah na ladia bat na ka jingyo yu senyang ni ki perlok parajor kabalakot syaka saulak tengka. Kila kentui ki pat ba baki ban mi syakmat ban ai kejing trailang ban pen khoj bat ban yadai ka mai mariang. Bat kenturu iki trai dukan bagian tung sentio hasil entar jong ka GS Road. Ban pen long nong ba Shillong ka ba khoj bat ka bajrngam bat ka ba ipo.
First the divider in Kandailat, we remember that opposite assembly, all assembly, we planted those trees, the gold Chris trees. It was we planted the saplings. 7 years back. We took care of the trees, and every time we watering, we gave them manure, everything. And it was a long way we did it. And now people have come to know that we have done all these things. And 6-7 years, it takes time, you know. Many people, they plant trees and they forget it. I think after planting, you have to take like a small child. It's like a small baby. You have to manure it for 2-3 years, you know, take care of the plant. So that the beautification we have done in JS Road, we have done in Lime Mukra also. And we have planted a lot of trees around Polo, then behind Earl Holiday Home, and Lime Mukra a little bit. And JS Road, we have just come with some pilot project, little bit flowers. It took me 1.5 years in JS Road also to do that flowering and the lamps and all that. And now I'm feeling many people are coming forward to join hands and work together. It's a very, very encouraging thing. So I feel in 1-2 years, whole JS Road might come up with beautiful lamps and these flowers. And it's going to be a teamwork. And at the end of the day, I have a very good team. I'm blessed with a wonderful team who's helping me and who are very dedicated to this cause. At one time, Shillong was called the Scotland of the East, you know, and people would appreciate that. It's just calling the Scotland of the East. But now it's got so bad. And I think we should all work back and get it much better than Scotland of the East. And believe me, it needs all the citizens to come to forward. Come in any kind. Come with flowers, come with time, come with... You check people who are littering and work together. I need all people, all of us to come together and work for this good cause. I request the shop, mainly shopkeepers around surrounding the shops, see that you beautify that area where is your shop. Every houses, every places, Shillong should look, I think it should be the best hill station in India at present. That's my message. We all work together. It's without working together, this is not possible.
Ampi kini ka jing penistanat kamtam ni kini ka pelsejar kini am. Kasulang bang iyo ya ki kini kala di kebal aslam ka ba ngilaya tre yang kini mri ka batang mentah si klemat kebeladon mentala kumba sistem steng arsnam ka ba ngilaya yo ke donation nang tu ngilaya yo donation nang ni nang tai ka ba na ki well wisher ngilaya yo ka donation di itu pisah ba shop nya pelang tinggi implement ya kini ka pilot project kepala sempur entah kan lah sistem steng arsnam shop nya tre stop.
Yes, once a year is not right. I think once a month will be very good for all the localities who come forward and have a cleaning drive once a month. And it will help, you know, you get the whole people together of the locality. People will know each other in the every meantime, you know. And cleanliness is like today you keep your house clean, right? Shillong is a house. I'm born and brought up in Shillong, so we feel that we all citizens should see that our city is clean, and we feel, you know, when it's you. Worst part about the dirty is the spitting around. People spit anywhere they like, they dirty it, and it's very sad. So I request people be careful of spitting here and there, and if a clean place or have a spitting pot, shopkeepers should have a spitting pot and all the things.